Everyone is talking, I need someone to receive. Imitation everything, I don't know what is real. Always so convinced by all those people that you hear. Hanging on there everywhere, there's nothing there but fear. And the lights are fading down, doors closing behind you. You don't make a sound unless you open up. Unless you open up. Unless you open up. Everything is easy when you got nothing to lose. Sticks and stones can't beat you, but the truth will always. Energy inside you is just what they fear the most. Even when they're laughing, it's because they just don't know. And the lights are fading down, the doors closing behind you. You don't make a sound unless you open up. Unless you open up. Unless you open up. When you hear that voice inside you telling you to breathe, take a step back and hold your head up. This is how you feel. And the lights are fading, and the windows closing, and inside your fear, it's just a break in time.